Ever wondered how secure your phone really is? The little device that you carry around everywhere is the epicenter of your digital life. And with that comes vulnerability. From the risk of phone seizures to security breaches, and even intrusive government surveillance, the potential threats to your phone security are numerous. The most effective defense is collective literacy about phone security. Remember, the specifics may vary according to your phone's operating system, so use this as a guide to find the settings that work best for you. Step 1. Put a PIN code on your phone. This is your first layer of protection. More than a fingerprint or a swipe, a PIN code offers more legal protections. Step 2. Activate encryption. Encryption is like scrambling your data with mathematics. By encrypting your device, you're making your data inaccessible and therefore more secure. Step 3. Add an app lock software. This will help protect other apps that you'd like to secure. Some apps, like Signal, have their own lock protection. Step 4. Turn off location services. A lot of the location data collected on our phones is unnecessary and can be used, sold, or swapped without our consent. Be selective about which apps you allow to track your location. Step 5. Clear your threads frequently. Remember, text messages and phone calls are not secure and can be surveilled under multiple government programs. Using a secure messaging app like Signal can help minimize insecure communications. Step 6. Use a virtual private network or the Tor browser to protect your network access. While a VPN privatizes your network search, only Tor provides anonymity. Choose based on your risk and usage needs. Step 7. Be conscious about the metadata in your photos. This can include where you took the photo, what phone you used, and even your location's altitude. Protect yourself by using an app like XF Eraser. Step 8. Download DuckDuckGo to replace your web browser. Step 9. Protect your regularly used accounts with a password manager like LastPass, 1Password, or KeepSX. These applications allow you to create and store individual passwords for all your accounts without needing to memorize them. And finally, Step 10. Add another layer of protection with two-factor authentication. This is like Prince Charming using both Cinderella's face and her shoe to confirm her identity. Use two-factor authentication with apps like Authy or Duo to ensure that no one else but you can access your apps. To recap, phone security involves a PIN code, encryption, app lock software, managing location services, clearing threads, using a secure network, being aware of photo metadata, using a secure browser, managing passwords, and two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your phone and protect your digital